Hello there, yeah, I'm not ignoring you. I just thought I'd do a little bit of a different intro to this today with the driving and the app, just to see what it worked out like. So yeah, I've actually arrived, just driven past it a little bit so that I can park up. Gonna go and have a look. Not quite sure whether the camera will pick this up, but there's a bit of a rainbow going on over there. See that under there? Thought I'd hit lucky there. Thought it was a really easy find. Nah, bugger. Found it. Nice little camo one. Wasn't where I looked initially, but here it is with the log inside. Right, I've signed it, logged it, popped it back. That was number 1 in this series in Wilberfoss. On to number 2. Let's go. Not quite sure when I'll be uploading this video, but that should give you an indication of the time of year of recording it. Site of the old blacksmith's forge, built in the late 1800s and demolished in the late 1960s. This was the original floor, which was excavated in 2011, Wilberfoss in bloom. The cache is actually in this area somewhere. That's a weird looking thing, isn't it? I think that's meant to scare you off. Found it! Right, I've signed it, logged it, popped it back. The next one's only, with the traffic around, the next one's only 0.1 miles away. Might as well do this one on foot, eh? It's a lovely little village, this. With some lovely, well, it's got a very cottagey vibe. And I think, yeah, according to this, we're about 150 feet away. Definitely has a strong community vibe, this village. I mean, look at that, there's a little bookcase there in the bus stop, so that you can swap books and so on. How cool is that? Well, unfortunately, despite having a good forage round, no joy with that one. It was really deep with leaves. So, first DNF of the day. Sad face. Anyway, the next one, somewhere in the Jubilee Gardens in Wilberfoss, isn't that far away. About 0.2 miles away from where I am now, so in other words, about 0.1 miles away from where I parked the car. So I might as well go and have a look. Right, so back to where I parked the car. Hello. Nice little post office. Looks like you can get a coffee here too. And we're going up Stalking Lane. Looks like I'm getting close, 250 feet away. Some nice little gardens here, with benches, etc. Nice little corner piece. Found it. Well, the next one's just up the road from here, so I might as well go on this, even though it's raining a bit. But look at that lovely rainbow. It's worth getting wet, I think, just to see that. It's quite a spectacular one, that. Wow, look at that. I wonder if there's a geocache at the end of that. Rain's coming down a little bit heavy at the minute, so I've managed to find a little bit of shelter here. And not only that, loads of muggles behind me. Sunday football, isn't it? They're all going home, kids football. And as always, there's some loiterers. I think I'm going to give this up. They're just through there, talking away. Just match breakdowns, that kind of thing. And considering it's slinging it down at the minute, yeah, I'm going to give this one up. I'll come back another day. Well, it didn't take long for that to turn a bit sour. Bit of a shame. I think what I'll do is I'll wait and see if it doesn't look like it's going to last. I think I'll have a little slurp of coffee and have a look at the app, see what's next. Right, I've made a decision. I'm going to wrap this up there. It's a bit wet, doesn't look like it's going to let up, and there's still 2 or 3 more in the area to do with very high difficulty ratings, and you could do with better weather for those. So I'm going to leave this there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Been a bit of fun for me. And if you've enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, you know what to do. Thumbs down. If you like what I'm doing on the channel, by all means subscribe. It costs you nothing, and it just means you get a notification whenever you open up YouTube if I've uploaded another video. And I know you don't like to miss out. So yeah, that's great. Thank you so much for watching. As I say, you take care of yourself. Cheerio.